Now this is how I made a brush to clean my camping cookware with. It is important to use fresh green wood, and I recently had to cut off this sapling, so I am going to make use of the rest of it. Now you can see the end of the wood is already somewhat split, but I do like to take my hatchet and just kind of break it up a little bit more. The key point here is more is definitely better. Make as many slices as you possibly can. Now, once I have cut plenty of splits, I will take the back of my axe and mash this over and over again. If you find that you need the bristles a little bit softer, sometimes you may have to smash it face first, and I will just baton this to break it up. And as you can see, it is now soft and pliable, just like a brush. Find more useful camping hacks in my profile.